This video introduces C# programming and presents examples that illustrate several important features of the language. We start by creating simple program that display text and an image. So I'm going to click the C# tutorial. We're going to write welcome to C#. We can change the form name, the text to welcome to, or we can change it to a simple program. There we go. Notice that you have a simple program, and also we can change something here. You can change the design, you change the focus. Let's play around with some properties here. Let's change the back color to let's go to web and change the back color to something dark slate gray. Okay, and also we can also add images here. I'm going to show you how to do that later on. Let's change it, or I think let's change it to something like that, shaded blue. Okay, you can change the font style here. I'm going to leave the font style by default, set it to default value, and now to resize this, you can resize the form, or we can change, if for instance if you want to change the form, to the topmost, that is, the form will always be at the top. No matter what happens, the form will always be at the top. You set this to the topmost. You can change the show icon. Let's get rid of the show icon. Notice that we no longer have the icon here. We can set the maximize and minimize box from here. We can set the control box here, and lots more. Now I'm going to leave it the way it is now and go on with something here. So this is the title bar, and this is the mouse pointer over sizing handle. So you can resize your form here, and you can use this part to resize your form. Next, if you like, you can change the back color like the one I've done here. Also, I'm going to drag a label to my page, which I will. Let me get rid of this and get rid of this label and do that again. So I'm going to drag the label control to my to my form, and then set the properties of this label control. From the label control, you can change the label control to welcome to the world of C#. Okay. Next, we can change the foreground, the fore color from black to bottom and highlight. You can change the font, from the size of the font from 8.25 to something like 16, or let's make it 20. And then if you like, you can change the font style, the font name, make it bold, and you can make it italics and then a line stroke, or you want to underline it. The next control we're going to use now is, let me drag the welcome button down here stage. Is let's use picture box control. So I'm going to drag that to the stage and resize it. Here you can select your image directly from your browser by clicking the smart arrow and choose image, and import your image directly to your project. Go to pictures, and let me select the icon equals pictures here. So I'm going to select let's look for nice pictures here. So I'm going to select this lady with the computer, and then click OK. I'm afraid let's do that again. Let's go to import. I'm not sure it's let's select something else here. Open and click OK. There we go. Now we now have, let's do the sizing, stretch image, and this is not my image because the image is very big, so we need to stretch the image or zoom the image, or we can auto size the image. It's too big, so we can't use auto size. We need to stretch the image. Pretty cool. Now I have a newly inserted image here, and from here you can set some of the properties here. Let's select the image. You can set image properties from here, the design, the name of the properties, the anchor. We're going to be dealing with a lot of this later on in this course. Now save your projects by clicking the save button or save all, and start or debug your application. So I'm going to click the debug application, and the how to debug started. Now we have a complete project displaying welcome to the world of C#, and you can play around this. You can add more features. In the next video we learn how to add more features, like how to write programs, how to write code. Notice that we didn't write a single line of code, and we accomplished something like welcome to the world of C#, and we were able to import image to our project. I'm going to close this by clicking the close button here to close and go back to C# IDE.